from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A new chair has been selected for the Henrico Board of Supervisors, and 2 suspects arrested in connection with the murder of a Varina High School student. We'll tell you more about those stories coming up on today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, January 15th, 2026. Chilly one today. We're going up to a high of just 39 under sunny skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by Ironworks Soaps.
And now for the news.
Roscoe Cooper, the Fairfield District Supervisor, has been unanimously elected as chair of the Henrico Board of Supervisors for this calendar year. That happened on Tuesday. Cooper now becomes the first county official ever to have served terms both as chair of the school board and the Board of Supervisors. Cooper served on the school board from 2016 to 2024. And on Tuesday, he said that one of his biggest focuses as chair this year would be the school system, saying, quote, "It comes as no surprise that continued investment in the school system is among my top priorities this year. Henrico will maintain its position as a pay leader for outstanding teachers while also funding necessary maintenance and school infrastructure projects," end quote. 4 Democratic members of the Virginia General Assembly from Henrico County met with residents January 12th at Wagon Brewery in the Far West End ahead of the 8-week General Assembly session. The private send-off event began with conversation between Senator Schuyler Van Valkenburg and delegates May Navarre, Rodney Willett, and Destiny LaVere Bowling. As well as those in attendance, the legislators later provided remarks about the upcoming session before taking questions from the audience. Navarre said that the top priority for the legislature, particularly on the Democratic side, is to pass 4 constitutional amendments covering redistricting, removing a ban on marriage equality, protecting reproductive freedom, and restoring voting rights for those who have completed their sentences. We've got much more coverage from Monday's event right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. With cases of flu and hospitalizations surging across the nation and throughout Virginia, a number of central Virginia hospitals and healthcare systems are urging people who may be sick to wear masks when they are inside those facilities. In a joint statement issued by HCA Virginia, as well as Bon Secours, Mercy Health, VCU Health, Centra, UVA Health, and the Children's Hospital of Richmond earlier this week, officials also encouraged people with flu-like symptoms to seek care immediately. The Virginia Department of Health indicates a moderate level of respiratory illness in the state, with just more than 19% of recent hospital emergency department visits attributable to respiratory illness for the week ending January 10th. 2 suspects have been arrested months after a Varina High School student was killed in a shooting on I-64, according to Virginia State Police. 18-year-old Nasim King was shot and killed while driving on the interstate near Richmond June 1st. Now Troy Jefferson, a 19-year-old from Richmond, and Ramel Tyshawn Stewart, 20, also of Richmond, have been arrested and charged with first-degree murder and use of a firearm in the commission of a felony. And Henrico County is among 61 counties and 18 cities in Virginia now under a drought watch following action by the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality. The agency also issued a drought warning advisory for 22 counties and 13 cities. There are only 12 counties and 7 cities in Virginia not currently under either a drought watch or warning. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Ironworks Natural Soap. Ironworks, a men's grooming and supply company, is located in Short Pump and has launched a new line of soaps for men. They're all natural and offer a great lather, provide nourishment for skin, and have no synthetic ingredients. Learn more at ironworkssoap.com.